Okay, our next ingredient is 1 potato. I'm using a new potato, but you don't have to use a new potato, any kind of potato. I'm going to peel it because the more surface area you create on a potato, the more flavor from the stew broth it's going to absorb. So we're just going to peel that really quickly, and then we're going to cube it. Potatoes are not a huge component of Korean cuisine, but they do come in a few times. And there's a few dishes that are yummy, and this is one of them. So we're going to cut it fairly thickly. Potatoes are sticky to cut if your knife isn't really wet. So just remember that. Well, if you like, you can cut them thicker. If you have a bigger potato, you can make larger pieces. It's not that important. I'm going to put that in our pot. Shaking some of the water out. Luckily in a stew, it's really forgiving. You don't have to worry too much about that. Okay,